Now in just a moment we're going to be driving into a hot set. They've finished filming for the day, so they've allowed us to drive through here. This is a two-level set. The top level set is a San Francisco street scene. The bottom level is the San Francisco subway station. Now get your cameras ready as we drive through here. You'll get a great view of a fully dressed set. Also, keep a hold on all your personal belongings because this is a security area. If you drop something over the side of the tram, I'm not going to be able to get out and get it for you. We only get to drive through here once. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a great picture of a fully dressed set. You can see some of the detail that goes into dressing a set. Things like newspaper vending machines, you can see benches, garbage cans, you can see the pay telephones on the wall, you can see the ticket machines, you can see the turnstiles on my side of the tram. All these come from our prop department. Now if you look on Evelyn's side of the tram, you can see that they've left some of their lighting equipment. They'll be out here. Folks, I think that's just a mild California trigger. We get these all the time. It's nothing to worry about. Folks, I think that's a little bit more than a trigger. We stay on our seats, but I think the train's coming in. Oh, here comes the train! I think that's the worst of it. I think we're good. Oh, no, watch out! Filming out there tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding. That's Earthquake. That's designed to simulate an 8.3 on the Richter scale, based on the 1971 picture Earthquake. Now, if anyone on my side of the tram got a little bit wet, don't worry. That's all just fake movie water. You're not really wet. We just think you're. No, I'm just kidding.